If you're still spending hours on tasks that AI can do in minutes, you're wasting your precious time. There are easy-to-use AI tools that can help you feel more put together and make you look like a pro in areas where you might not even have experience. Today, I'm going to show you how these simple AI tools work, how you can use them, and why they're not just for tech experts. They're for anyone who wants to work smarter and faster without sacrificing quality. I've linked all of these tools in the description, so make sure to click on them for free accounts and exclusive deals. Tool 1. Let's start with Writesonic, a tool designed for one of the most frustrating and time-consuming tasks out there: writing. Think about the last time you needed to draft something. Maybe it was a blog post, an email, or even a caption for a social media post. You probably stared at the screen, unsure of how to start, or spent way too much time tweaking every sentence. Writesonic takes that stress away. It's an AI-powered writing assistant that can turn a rough idea into polished content in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. First, sign up for a free account using the link in the description and then log in. Once you're in, you'll be able to see different options. Under What Will You Create Today, you'll see options like advertising, general writing, video, e-commerce, social media, blog, emails, and more. Just click on the most relevant option. I'll go for video. Then, I'll click on YouTube video script and fill out the information like the video topic and the target audience. Fill these out using any examples that work well for the demo. Writesonic will take this information and generate a YouTube video script tailored to my requests. If I don't like something, I can easily regenerate and make changes. The process is similar for anything that you use Writesonic for, whether you're writing product descriptions for your website or creating email campaigns for your business. For anyone who's ever struggled with writer's block or felt overwhelmed by a blank page, this tool will make your life easier. Now, while Writesonic focuses on writing, there are other AI tools that tackle entirely different challenges. Tool 2. Let's take a look at BetterPic. If you've ever needed a professional photo for a resume, LinkedIn profile, or portfolio, you know how inconvenient and expensive it can be to book a photo shoot. This tool makes life easier by letting you create stunning, high-quality headshots from the comfort of your home. All you have to do is select some backgrounds and outfits, then upload a few clear pictures of yourself. They can even be selfies. In seconds, you have a polished headshot that looks like it came straight from a professional studio. You can even edit your own photos with BetterPic AI Studio by changing the clothing, background, correcting your skin, and more. This is especially useful for freelancers, job seekers, or anyone who needs an updated photo but doesn't have the time or budget for a traditional shoot. Tool 3. Another area where AI can save you time is scheduling. If your calendar feels like a chaotic mess, Reclaim AI can help you take back control. This tool connects to your Google Calendar and does all the heavy lifting when it comes to planning your day. It looks at your existing commitments and automatically finds the best times for meetings, tasks, and even personal habits like lunch breaks or workouts. One of its standout features is smart scheduling. Let's say you need to meet with a colleague but don't want to go back and forth trying to find a time that works for both of you. Reclaim AI analyzes both calendars and suggests the best meeting time, adjusting for priorities and availability. And if your schedule changes, which happens to all of us, it automatically reshuffles everything to make sure nothing important gets left out. Tool 4. Finding reliable information can be a time sink, especially when you're dealing with complex topics. Perplexity AI takes the hassle out of this process by acting like a supercharged search engine. Instead of bombarding you with a list of links, it compiles detailed answers from credible sources and organizes them into a clear, logical response. Let's say you're researching a topic for work or school. You type in a question, and Perplexity not only provides a comprehensive answer, but also links to the original sources so you can verify the information. If you're not sure what to ask, the tool's Pro Search feature can even suggest follow-up questions to refine your results. What sets Perplexity apart is its focus mode. This feature lets you choose specific types of sources, like academic papers, YouTube videos, or Reddit threads, depending on what you're looking for. It can also analyze images or generate visuals to help illustrate your research. Whether you're preparing a report, learning a new skill, or simply satisfying your curiosity, this tool streamlines the entire process. Tool 5, if spreadsheets and statistics make your head spin, Wolfram Alpha is here to simplify things. This tool is incredibly powerful when it comes to crunching numbers and visualizing data. You can upload a dataset, and Wolfram Alpha will instantly generate charts, graphs, and insights that would take hours to create manually. Wolfram Alpha can also recognize text and formulas from images, which means you can snap a picture of a handwritten equation or a printed table and let the tool do the rest. It's not just for math enthusiasts or data scientists. Anyone working with large datasets can benefit from its ability to organize, analyze, and present information in a clear, digestible format. Tool 6. This is a must-use tool when you're in the digital marketing world. Neuron Writer specializes in SEO optimization, which is all about making your content more visible online. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a business website, Neuron helps you stand out by generating SEO-friendly articles that are both engaging and effective. When you start a project with Neuron, it analyzes your competitors to identify the best keywords, titles, and descriptions for your content. It even provides a Google search snippet preview so you can see how your page will appear in search results. Once you're ready to write, Neuron gives you a detailed outline and lets you choose the length of the article. As you write, it updates your SEO score in real time, making it easy to tweak and improve your content as you go. Tool 7. If you're looking to further improve your writing, Quillbot is a great tool for paraphrasing and editing. Whether you need to rewrite a sentence, check for grammar errors, or even scan for plagiarism, Quillbot has you covered. Its paraphrasing tool offers multiple styles, from formal to creative, so you can tailor your text to fit any context. I found that this tool is especially helpful for students, writers, and professionals who need to polish their work without starting from scratch. Tool 8. If you're job hunting, you need to check out Resu AI. When you're applying for multiple roles, it can be incredibly time-consuming to write resumes and cover letters for each specific job. The problem is that if you're not specific, then you won't stand out. Luckily, this tool speeds up the process of personalizing your applications. Resu AI tailors your resume to match specific job descriptions, making sure that it highlights the skills and experience recruiters are looking for. All you have to do is upload some information about yourself in the job listing, and Resu AI will create a tailored resume that will boost your chances of standing out in a sea of generic applications. All of these tools are simple to use and generate high-quality results that save you time and make you look like a pro. Which of these tools have you used before, or are you thinking of using? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.